Okay, hi friends. In the previously we have finished that from alkyl halides. Okay, important reactions we have finished that substitution reactions. In that some topics also there. That is the polyhalogen compounds and also substitution versus elimination reactions. So before that, some more important reactions from alcohols we will discuss, and after the alcohols we can again we will discuss substitution and elimination reactions and also polyhalogen compounds, right? So now we will discuss about the alcohols, important reactions, alcohols. Okay, alcohols. So the alcohols, these are the hydroxy derivatives of the carbons. Hydrocarbon, okay, hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons. Hydroxy, hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. That means in the alkanes, in the hydrocarbon, this is the hydrocarbon. In the hydrocarbon, if this group is displaced by OH group, okay? So then what happen? We will get to alcohols. Okay. So this is alcohol. The formula is ROH. ROH. So here in the case of alcohols, in the case of alcohols, the types. Okay. If you see the types of alcohols, types. Okay. First, primary alcohols. Number one, primary alcohol. This is also called 1 degree alcohols. 1 degree alcohol. So in the case of primary alcohols, the carbon which is attached to only one other carbon or one other alkyl group. Okay, na? The carbon which is attached to, this is the carbon. This carbon is attached to only one alkyl group. So the OH if attached to that carbon is called primary alcohol. That means the carbon is a primary carbon, 1 degree carbon. The alcohol which is attached to 1 degree carbon are called primary alcohols. Okay. So you can take examples. The best example, methanol and also ethanol. Okay. These are the common primary alcohols. Okay. Primary alcohol. And secondary alcohol, propanol also you can take here. Okay. Next to secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols mean the carbon which is attached to two other alkyl groups. Two other alkyl groups is called secondary carbon. So the OH attached to secondary carbon. This is the secondary carbon. So if OH is to secondary carbon, they are called secondary alcohols. These are also called 2 degree. They are also called 2 degree alcohols. 2 degree alcohols. So this is secondary alcohol. The OH group must be attached to secondary carbon, 2 degree carbon. 2 degree being the carbon which is attached to two other alkyl groups, other carbons. Example, you can take CH3 in the place of R. I am taking CH3. HOH. This is also called isopropanol. The common name is isopropanol or isopropyl alcohol. Common name only. Or isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, right? So you can take this, and also one more example. This is a secondary butanol. This is also called sec-butanol. Sec-butanol means secondary butanol or secondary butyl alcohol. Secondary butyl alcohol. So here carbon is attached to two other carbons. Carbon attached to two others. So this is secondary alcohol. Okay. Right. Next to third type of alcohols. Third type. Okay. Third model, tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols. So I am taking alcohols nana alcohols lesson. So third one is tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols mean the carbon which is attached to three other alkyl groups. The carbon which is attached to three other alkyl groups is called tertiary carbon. This is called 3 degree. Okay, now if OH attached to 3 degree carbon, if OH attached to 3 degree carbon, they are called tertiary alcohols, otherwise 3 degree alcohols. So some examples: CH3, CH3OH. This is a tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. This is tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay, the carbon is attached to tertiary carbon, so tertiary butyl alcohol. These are the common examples for tertiary butyl alcohols and their types. Okay, and some more unsaturated alcohols. Okay, some unsaturated alcohols. So these are all are saturated alcohols. Saturated alcohols mean saturated alcohols. Okay, now saturated alcohols mean the OH is attached to generally sp3 carbon. So example, so this is this carbon is sp3. Okay, now OH attached carbon is sp3 carbon. They are saturated. Okay. So next some unsaturated alcohols. Unsaturated alcohols. Unsaturated alcohols mean you can take best example vinyl. This is vinyl group. Okay, this is vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol, very important. The common name. This is sp carbon. Sorry, sp2 carbon. sp2 carbon, right? And also you can take next to aliphatic, allylic alcohols. This group is allyl. Okay, so if I write OH group, allyl alcohol. This is allyl alcohol. Allyl alcohol. Okay, now this carbon is sp3. Carbon is sp3. Okay, this is also unsaturated alcohol, right? So so the carbon is sp3, here is carbon is sp2. So these are common alcohols, right? And some examples for these are monohydric alcohols. Monohydric mean only one OH group is containing alcohol. So dihydric alcohols, if you see dihydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohols mean there are two OH groups. Okay, there are two OH groups.